Hello and welcome to the Virtual Startup Lab. We'll continue our discussion on the sources of finance, and in this presentation our focus is on venture capital fund, and in fact an introduction on the venture capital funds. We have seen that there are several sources which a startup can tap. One of the such sources is the venture capital funds. Venture capital fund provides funds to the new and promising companies that are typically knowledge based and have high risk element but promise a very sustainable growth with higher rewards. So venture capital funds look for some specific type of businesses which have high risk and high return. And these funds not just make an equity participation, but they also assist in the management and functioning of the company by rendering its expertise to the business, hence are not just passive investor. So if you're looking for a serious partner who can put in money as well as bring in expertise, maybe the venture capital funds are one such partner. Who can form? Financial institutions, banks, pension funds, corporations, high net worth individuals, they are normally the investors in a venture capital funds. And these funds may be in the form of trust, companies, or any other legal body. The advantage of venture capital funding is that they are not short-term players. They generally come in as a long-term investment. They are not just provider of money, they are the business partner. They share both risks and reward. And particularly for a startup, it is important to understand that one can leverage the extensive network of these VC funds. But of course, tapping VC funds is not easy. You have to go through several processes, intensive investigations and interviewing. But they look for committed core team. Lots of importance is given on the core team. They examine the potential of the business. They would definitely fall back on a robust business plan. And the most important, all the venture capital funds would like to have a clear exit plan. So a committed team, clear business plan, and a future potential are the three important things which they look for. So as a startup or an entrepreneur looking for a VC should be aware of these issues. In India, some of the important popular VCs are SIDBI's Venture Capital Limited, IFCI Venture Capital Funds, Avishkar India, which is a private one which is doing good job, ILFS Trust Company, CanBank, Canara Bank Venture, SBI Capital Markets, ICICI Banks, IDBI Bank. So there are several players in this field. And normally VCs prefer IT and IT enabled services, software products, finance, banking, media and entertainment, biotech and retail. Of course, this list is not exhaustive, this is inclusive. If you have good plan, if you have good return, your team is committed, VCs may show interest on that. Thank you very much. We'll see more about what exactly the VCs look for and how to present your case to the VC in one of our future presentations. Thank you very much.